G'day viewers, I've got a package today from Anthony, high1voltage1rules. Sent me 4 capacitors, 2 little DC amp meters, got a bit of mineral oil on them but they'll polish up okay, and this SCR, and these 2 SCRs, International Rectifier, that's the manufacturer, C12, I don't know if it's actually a date code or what, 2006 I think it is. Made in India. Now that looks pretty much the same size as that SCR, so yeah, I won't be using these SCRs on that cap bank. They may pop. I'm not too sure about this one either. I'm not sure if that'll handle the cap bank. If it does, I'll be using this one. Also made by International Rectifier. He's done some videos on these anyway. I have to watch his video again, how to hook them up. I'll have to make some way of wiring it up and putting it in the cap circuit there. I'll have to do some research on this part number. Hopefully this will handle the discharge current of that cap bank. And these are AC caps. Siemens, Germany, 385 volts, 1000 microfarad, 12.89. 12 from 1989. Don't know if that's a date code or not. They look about that anyway. I'll give these a test on my ESR meter. Hopefully they're okay. Ooh, that one sounds a bit dried out. Hope these can be exercised and reformed. I gotta keep exercising these. That one's a bit tinted, but that'll still work okay. They're all identical. Let's get my ESR meter out and give them a test. Viewers, let's get the ESR meter out here. We can test these. Very happy with these. There's a quite good set of goodies here. Let's test that one. That's a rattly one. Rattles a bit. It's 0.05 ohms, 920.9 microfarad. It's not too bad actually. I'm sure it will come better with some exercise as I keep using these capacitors. Keep them healthy. So the problem with these, you can't just store them away and not use them for a long time. They'll deform and they'll dry out and they'll be buggered. You got to keep using them, keep exercising them. Because these things have a shelf life, unfortunately. Second one, 0.30 ohms. Yeah, they'll come better with a bit of exercising. I just disconnected it. Just trying to measure while I'm disconnecting. I might have banked these up and give them a good exercise. Ooh, a bit high that one. This ESR meter measures in circuit, so there's actually accurate readings. So these resistors won't interfere. Ooh, uh-oh. This one is not very good. Hope it's just a dud connection, but I don't think so. Oh, there we go, 14.8 ohms. Oh, it's a bit high. This one needs to be exercised, I think. These two were the highest, so I'm going to have to exercise them. Whoops. Alright, nearly bloody dropped my ESR meter. I've got to be very careful with this thing. It's a good little instrument. Let's charge them up on this little power supply. I'm going to rig up my little amp meters here that he sent me. Again, thanks very much for these, Anthony. I'll use these. I've got a 0 to 15 amp and a 0 to 10 amp. Maximum 75 off the scale, maximum 50 off the scale on this one. Let's I'll try the bigger meter. I'll try this one. Hook it up in series with the capacitors I'm charging it. It should give me a reading. Depending on how much current it pulls, it should tell me whether it'll reform or not. As it gets more reformed, it shouldn't pull as much power, theoretically anyway. So, in a series of the meter. Connecting another, I think I need another lady. Plug this in. Power's on. This is my little 20 volt high current power supply here. See if I can do this like this on the camera here. Now these are AC capacitors. not DC, so they should still charge up on DC. Let's see what happens, if it's the right way. Whoops. Oh, I think I got that the wrong way around. Positive 30 capacitor there. Yeah, power's on, just charged. The meter didn't register anything. Let's see if it discharges. Let's discharge it. Okay, I'm more of a bad connection here. Alright, let's have a play around here. Okay, viewers, it didn't register on the amp meter at all, but I want to short this out. 15 amps. Yeah, the needle deflects a tiny bit, then goes back down. So the capacitor is charging and it's not pulling much current either, so it's not shorted. Bleeder resistors bled them down quite quick. So let's charge this one here up. Now I need to charge that quite well. Again, my leads aren't broken. Let's discharge this one. Oh, that one charged up quite well. Nice bang, that one. Next one. I'll use the outer terminal as the positive. Yeah, not shorted, so it's a good sign. Let's discharge this one. I'll leave it on there so I can discharge it on camera here. Let's see. Screwdriver. Disconnect. That didn't hold as much of a charge. Let's try this one. Yep, no deflection on the needle at all. Discharge. That wasn't much on that one either. Let's try this one. No deflection on the needle either. There you go, these aren't shorted, they're in good nick. There you go. Disconnect. Center AC capacitors. I'll use those. Now I think, these would be good for a rotary converter project actually. Gotta get me a 3-phase motor. I'll also gotta hook this amp meter up with. Try this bulb here. Give me an accurate reading. No, wrong one, that one is blown. Oh, it's been turned off, whoops. There you go, try now. 5 amps it's pulling. 5 amps that light's pulling. Oh, we also got to try. Okay viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.